everyone. It's come to my attention that there are a lot of questions asked online that aren't addressed. And I'd like to take that opportunity right now, in the spirit of leaving no man behind, to answer some of those questions. So please, grab a piece of paper, get a pen, and take note. Sometimes our emotions are hard to interpret, whether it's knowing if you're falling in love or if your anxiety is being triggered by fear or anger. But then there are those other times when you're not exactly sure if you are possessed or not possessed. Symptoms of possession are often connected with shakiness, sweating, anxiety, confusion, high hunger levels. Actually, I think those are the symptoms for hypoglycemia. Oh, here we go. Low energy levels, mood swings, impulsive behavior, memory problems, intense obligation to take over the world. Boogers, or mucus, is made up of salt, water, glycoproteins, and many other small cells. The caloric amount is typically going to depend on the size of your booger. However, most of them are going to be less than a calorie, so it's safe to consume if you're watching your figure. With all the new diet fads and workout routines that are floating around on the internet now, it's hard to know what is and isn't plausible anymore. Luckily, I'm well versed in that area. In fact, you can lose weight doing this. Let me demonstrate a few ways. 1, 2, 24, 25, 58, 59, 60.